Okay, welcome to Tom Graphics class today. Today we're going to be learning to design a simple creative brochure cover, as can be seen on the screen. So without wasting time, let's start. So first we draw that rectangle because the brochure is rectangular. You pick the rectangle tool, but you could double click on the rectangle tool and see a rectangle appear exactly the size of your printable area. That is usually faster than trying to draw it manually. Okay, so there are a lot of rectangles. So we pick the one on the printable page, come to the central mark, hold shift, drag down, and it drags both up and down. And then you want to end the drag with the right click while still holding the shift in order to duplicate it. So there we go. Let's give it a little shade so we can see what I'm talking about. So let's get it this way a little, as we did before, but this time you don't want to reduce it both ways. So you don't hold the shift and then you end it with the right click, and there you go. And there you go. So let's give it that shade, that color from the fill tool. You drag this way, select the other point, give it purple, give it purple, give it a deeper purple, select the other end and give it a magenta. So there you go. We hold the same rectangle, we drag it this way, and it with a right click so it duplicates, and then we turn it over this way. Now since the fill on this rectangle is the same as this, you may want to come to edit, copy properties, click, and ensure that the fill box is checked. Okay, take it over to that body and click. See? And it is exactly what is there. Let's change this color a bit. Yeah, think that's it. Do this, copy it, okay, and copy that. All right, now we duplicate this, hold Control so you move horizontally perfectly, drop, reduce this, reduce that, just like that. Now let's get a picture for that box from my desktop. That's your picture. You want to fit it into this triangle, so you come to objects and power clip, place inside this, and there you go. You can right click, edit power clip, it takes you into the object and you place it exactly as you would have it. Right click on the body and click finished editing, and you're back. All right, let's get our logo right over here. Come to edit, copy properties, just like that. You have an outline, you may want to come here and click none on your outline width, and there you go. Your logo is simply the letter M. Give it that font. Now you want to select the body you want to trim into the other. Select the body, the shape you want to trim into the second shape first. Hold shift, select the second body, click on trim, and then delete the first body out. And there you go. Now we have company name with company slogan. But still, let's say your company name, your company slogan. Give it a better font. This can be bold. Come to text, select change keys, select uppercase and OK, and you're all uppercase. And that's that. All right, yourcompany.com as the website. Give it a lighter feel, a lighter shade of gray. www.yourcompany.com. Right there. Right there. And then we have another rectangle placed on top of the image and touching the extreme end of the page. We'll draw that using the rectangle tool right there. Right there. We'll give it the same feel as the other boxes by coming to edit, copy field properties, mark all, OK, and click. But our field over there, our rectangle over here is transparent. So we come to the transparency tool, click, and apply on uniform transparency. Uniform transparency. Uniform transparency. But there is an effect on the original body, the original design. So you want to select this triangle, come to transparency, and then come over to the transparency properties and look at mergeable mode. Merge mode. Now your merge mode simply refers to the effect you want to see when the transparent body reacts with the body behind it. So we select it and give it subtract. You see that? It is transparent, and then it is darker and it's bolder. So now we type creative brochure, creative brochure concept, creative brochure concept 2022. Give it some better font, let's make that one a bit lighter. Creative brochure concept. Copy properties, mark texts, because this time you're copying the text properties. Yes. Draw a little box there. Give it white. Remove outline by right clicking on the cancel outline button. Almost there. Double click on the rectangle tool. Now you have another rectangle on your printable area. Increase it out, give it that black gray feel. You want to duplicate that rectangle again, give it a lighter shade of gray, and then apply linear transparency upwards. There you go. Select the two triangles and control page down, or come to object, order, and send to back of page. There you go. There you go. There you go. A little shadow there. A little shadow. A little shadow. A little shadow. So folks, this is all for today's lesson.